Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Yesterday I let you know that YouTube Premium was getting exclusive new AR features. Video will be linked. Now, just to let you know about more AR features that are rolling out to Google products and services. And as pointed out to me by a viewer of this channel, it seems that Google is really wanting to Geminify every product a tad. And I thought that was quite a nice statement, Geminify. And just a quick video to let you know about two more apps and services that have got the Gemini treatment. Now, in March, as I posted, Google announced a smart search feature powered by AI to quickly show you the most relevant results. And recently, Google has now extended this to businesses. So this is rolling out and becoming much more widely available. So now, instead of showing emails in chronological order based on keywords, Gmail search results will factor in elements like recency, most clicked emails, and frequent contacts. And with this update, Google says the emails you're looking for are far more likely to be at the top of the search results, saving you time and helping you find important information more easily. And you can also select between most relevant and most recent results. And viewing the most relevant search results in Gmail is available to Google Workspace customers, Workspace individual subscribers, and those using personal Google accounts, which is always good news. And then the second new app and feature that's got the Gemini treatment is Google has resumed the rollout of its AI-powered Ask Photos feature for Google Photos after addressing earlier performance concerns. And in case you don't know, the tool uses Google Gemini models to interpret users' natural language queries and help them locate specific images within their library. And the initial rollout was paused due to concerns about latency, result quality, and user experience, with a Google Photos team, apparently, according to reports, members citing these shortcomings as the reason for the delay. Now, based on feedback, Google says it has enhanced Ask Photos responsiveness. And then for basic searches, you will now see immediate results while the Gemini model continues processing more data in the background. And Google is expanding the availability of Ask Photos beyond early access, rolling it out to a larger group of eligible users in the United States. And a lot of these new features are tested at first-hand, region-specific, and then Google pushes them out to a wider audience. So Ask Photos returns most relevant search results for Gmail. Yesterday I posted regarding AR features coming to YouTube Premium. And as mentioned at the beginning of the video, it does seem that Google is really wanting to Geminify every product a tad. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.